I'm supposed to run with this.
I guess so.
Wow.
I guess not.
Sounds great. For my club, it was quite good. I'll send you the link. It's pretty good. But you know, I just stay true, be you. That's my motto, you know? Yeah. Oh, Sinclair. Did you find your buddy? Did we sort that out?
And that's our buddy. Yeah.
Cool. Cool.
You're mic'd up?
Might be.
Oh my god. I need Is it on? Is it already on?
Is this thing on? Is it?
Desi, how's the rash?
It's clearing up.
Great.
The fact this conversation is still happening, I'm dead.
What color is this? White or
What color are these socks, folks? It's a big debate pre-training.
I think there is a yellow.
Wow, why are these so tight? Do you put sunscreen on the back of your hands?
You should, because that is a sign of aging.
I just learned this fun fact.
We had a conversation.
Realize my baby face will be 15, but my hands will be 80. Imagine you want to be a hand model after soccer. Ha! I do need some sunscreen though, that's important. It's just gonna sweat right off, but that's all right. Are you cat camel or cat cow?
Cat cow, I think.
You're cat cow?
Oh no, I
Uh-oh! Big debate, big debate.
Cat cow. Well, it doesn't make sense.
None of it does, but
Which one's
the cow cat.
Which one's the camel? Yeah. This is the cat. Cats aren't like that though.
Cats do that sometimes.
Cats don't do this.
Cat camel.
They can.
No. Do you have a cat?
Not fresh, but like pretty new out the box like 2 days ago. Ow. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's great. Did she say that was her left? We're supposed to go left? Oh, that was slow. I felt like I was like, yes, with you. And again. And again. And again. Keep moving, keep moving. Yes. And again. One! Woo! Yes! Wow! Hello! Bonjour! Bienvenue! These are my top 3 French words that I know. Did you pack a sandwich?
No, they actually made them for us. How cute, right?
Aww. That is nice. Snack pack, snack pack. Love me and some snacks.
Oh,
This is testing your character right now.
Yeah. Would you eat it?
You eat this?
No.
She?
If I'm starving.
What, do you eat this part of the bread? Mariah? You eat this?
I don't touch it.
I need the mic back. So
Oh.
if you have any last words for the camera, you can just say it here. You can say like, you're the most attractive person on this.
Wow. There are a lot of contenders because this team is fire.
Yeah,
First up on the list, me. Just kidding.
I was like, oh my god.
If you're not your own cheerleader, I mean,
Stay humble.
jokes, no, you know. Let's hear it with my teamies.
Is that your last
Good day at the office.
Female field.
Female Field, holler at us.
Tickets.
Come support.